Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Went to a few garage sales and a couple of estate sales, and this is what I came back with. First of all, I got this little jackknife here, hammer brand. I believe the style is a tickler, and it's got the faux pearl scales. Got that one. And I got this camping knife made in Japan, and it's got a little knife, a big knife, scissors, bottle opener, can opener, everything you need. And I got I believe this is a dog leg trapper. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong on the style of this knife. It's made by Ward's. It's pretty beat up. But you know what I like about this knife is the scales. I don't know what that material is, but I really like it. And no snap left in it. Got a half stop there. Still pretty cool. This one I got at the flea market. And this is an electrician's knife. This one's made by Klein Tools. Got the main blade there, and then you got the screwdriver knife here. And I gotta release it there and put it back in. Got some paint here. Hopefully I can get that off. And I got these garden shears. Ooh, let's see. Old school garden shears, but they just have a cool look to them. They don't make them like this anymore, that's for sure. Big old spring right there. Yeah, this was $1.50 for these. Real quick, these three knives here were $10. And this one I got for $3. And then $1.50 for this little axe, which I'm just going to try to sharpen up and use it for myself. Little handy axe there. And also, I didn't get this today, but I got it, I don't know, 3 or 4 days ago. Got this at a thrift store, and pretty cool. It's an anchor from 𝐶𝕚𝕚𝕦𝕥. And then it's got the patent number there, and pretty cool. And it's even got the the chain kind of goes with it. So that was it. That was my haul, and thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you later.